To compose a mailing from an existing text, first log into NOEO as an administrator or editor. Go to the content section and select the content to be sent. If necessary, change the language you want to send and click Send via email. The email form will open and is pre-filled with a teaser and the selected text. Select the recipient. You can select a group or enter additional email addresses . But select the group to which the addresses should be assigned further. As the sender, you can set your personal email account or the default general sender. The subject has already been filled in with the title of the text. If you wish, you can also add a personal introduction using the full name, first name or last name variables surrounded by double %signs. The introduction also appears in the preview. If desired, add assets from the archive. These are displayed below the content. You can also make changes to the text, change the link text or the title, but the original content is not changed. If you are satisfied with the result, click on Prepare Email Transmission. If you type in a new email address, you may get an alert because the user has not been given permission to receive mailings, but the transmission is still possible. Now you also have the opportunity to check the list of recipients. Click on Send. You can check the response rate at any time in the Sent folder.